Hello guys, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat guys. Nandito kami ngayon guys. Kasama namin yan guys, nag-tea, nag-inom ng tea. Yan po, Bangladesh, si Matina. So, yan po guys. And may isa pa guys, si Arif Khan, Indian. So, si Shokat, si Abu Talib.
Shokat Bangi Boro.
Ada si Matin from Pakistan. Ito from Bangladesh. Ito si Amin from Pakistan, si Arif from India. Ito is from India. So guys, we're having we're having a tea this afternoon because too much cold. And also rain is coming this afternoon. So, they're buying tea. Matina shell ada shamusa. Masuk ka na shell hina baisap. Yan guys, samosa. So nagbili sila ng samosa para sa tea. So that's all for this afternoon guys. Now it's only enjoyment with the group, with my colleagues. Yan si Matina, ayaw niya kumain ng samosa.
Samosa.
His name ada samosa? Samosa pala guys, samosa, no? Tumama sa akin. So, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. God bless us all.